Hello and welcome back. I'll start with the usual disclaimer, like I always do. Nothing is for sale, nothing is monetized. There are no courses, mentorships, affiliates, or anything else. There aren't even ads on the YouTube videos. The only link you'll be able to find will be right into my Discord. And in my Discord, again, there's just chit chat in the general. It used to be just trading talk there, but as the Discord is growing a little bit, there's a lot of chit chat there. Not so much these last days, but there's trading talk, a little beginner guide, and all my videos are posted there. Got a cat channel too now, yeah? Like cats? I like cats. Do that. Yeah. So my disclaimer out of the way. Let's get right to it. We'll start on Bloomberg like we always do. And on Bloomberg here, the only thing I'm noticing that's directly relevant to us, if you've been watching me previously, yeah, it's really nothing. This Europe and Ukraine prepared 12-point proposal to end Russia's war. Completely saturated into the market and completely irrelevant, especially when it's Europe and Ukraine. So it's gonna be that means Germany, France, probably most UK, and then Ukraine, and then they're gonna make some crazy demands. Like I remember last time they went to like Switzerland or whatever. Maybe Belgium's gonna be there as well. And they came up with this crazy ass proposal where the peace proposal is supposed to they held like peace talks with Russia there. This was quite a while ago. This was before Trump was president, but they came with this dumb ass peace plan. I don't remember exactly what the proposals were, but I remember some of them. It was Ukraine returning all of Russia, and Ukraine giving not Ukraine. I mean, sorry, Russia returning all of the territories that it took since 2022, and then Ukraine also taking the self-proclaimed republics like Lugansk Republic, People's Republic, and Donetsk People's Republic, and also giving Crimea to Ukraine, for Russia to transfer over Crimea. They wanted Russia to pay war reparations to Ukraine, and at the end for Trump to, no, not Trump, Putin to be extradited to Ukraine for war crimes. So that was really fucking stupid. The whole fucking thing felt like some kind of money laundering thing because they went to this expensive ass spot to come up with that. Like, what the fuck? It was an expensive ass spot in the Swiss Alps, and they were there for a month, and they came up with that. You think Putin read that and was like, "I'll do that. I'll do that. I'll do a complete fucking surrender and surrender myself and everything." So fucking stupid. Anyways, gold and silver has been. I mean, it says so. Post steepest drops in years as rally cools. Remember this was not a steep drop. Let's get to it. We're going to start on SPY like we usually do. We're going to have a little look at the markets. The markets are strong. We're back up from the correction. We had a little talk about this in the Discord where people were talking about how it's a crash and it's over. And don't listen to all the nonsense, the politically agenda guided bullshit you listen to. It's stable, it's strong. Dollar index still stagnant. Let's have a look at gold and silver now before we go into the trades we had. So these are pretty hefty drops, yeah. Very interesting, especially on silver. Yeah, that's a big drop. Gold, more liquidity. No. We're actually in gold here, so yeah. So yeah, it was a pretty big drop on gold, but nothing too significant. This would have been a nice trade, but there was no signal for it. It just dropped off. Less fair, so I guess. Yeah, no signal for it. So this one, there was no signal for it. I did not get triggered into. Here we go. This other trip here I did, and it was very quick. I didn't have time to make it green. I didn't have time to do shite. I got triggered in and hit TP. So for me, I don't know if anyone extended this. You could have done a full extension on this one and gotten a 3R. I wouldn't have gone that far, but you probably could, yeah. But when you do that, make sure your sell loss is at 0. But however, for me, I only managed to just get the entry. That's all I did, and I'm not actually trading it as well. I found a way around it. I'm entering these on a small demo account now, so I know what percent I'm up and down on stuff in. So I have a better log for the future, for future coming stuff when I'm up past my limit. If I hit my limit next month, for example, really fast, I'll have a little log ready. But it's just 2 weeks till I can trade. The year is almost over. Crazy, huh? So let's go through the pairs, look for some setups, and see what's going on. My wrist is feeling a lot better, by the way. Soon I'll be able to use my other hand. That'll make things a lot easier for me to redraw, to type in the Discord, everything. Because I'm left-handed, and it's the left hand that had the cracks. I can see that. I mean, I need for a redraw very soon. So I'll go hop on one day here. Yeah, this is that gapping bullshit. I'm not just gonna ignore that. When a trade recently has gapped like that, I don't trade it for a little while. I don't trust it. Me and the pair get trust issues. Well, that could have been something. Yeah, it could have been, but yeah, that was until last week. It's a breakout going on here, but too late for it. Same here, it looks like. Yeah, this is too late. I think. Yeah, a little bit too late. Wow. That's a lot of volume taken out. The silver drop, interesting. I'm gonna see if I can get a redraw in soon on silver. So no, there's nothing else. I mean, now we can finally get a good long in on gold soon, hopefully. But no oil, nah. This pair is a horrible spread, by the way. I should actually remove this one because I only use it to look at gold. I don't really trade it. It has a better swap if you're doing some kind of long-term short thing, but that's not what we're doing here. The spread is horrendous. So that's about it. Yeah, there are no setups that are interesting as of right now. So I'll keep the video short and end it there for you. Thank you for watching. If you got any questions, please leave a comment in the YouTube videos. I always answer comments, or you can hop in the Discord. It'll be linked in the description. And that's all I got. Thank you. Bye-bye. Turn off, man. OBS, man. Anyways, bye-bye.